Did you know you can get paid by just having contact on your phone on this application called Pocket App? So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So please stick to this video to the end. Like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel, and let's go straight to the video. Hi guys, welcome again to the legit update whereby I teach you how to make money online. And so I'm going to show you how you can make money by just having contacts on your phone. Depending on how many contacts you have on your phone on this application, I'm going to pay 50 naira for each contact you have on your phone that are using this application. So assuming you have 10, so you know how much that will be. You have 20, you have, if you have 2, that's 100 naira. If you have 4, that's 400 naira. So that's how they pay you. So all you just have to do right now, you just have to follow these procedures and go ahead and download this app. Check the description below. You see the link down there, and you can go ahead and check it out. So this is where you click on 5 friends, and it will direct you to the page where you it will load automatically. There's no need for you to do anything. Just click on it and it will direct you to the page automatically. So after that you have clicked on that, you have to click on show friends, right? You have to click on show friends and it directs you to another place. I'm reading from here, so you can check it out on your own. You may have so many friends on Pocket App. You also get an instant cash bonus, or if verified and fresh Pocket App accounts are discovered. So any account that is discovered on that is verified and is discovered, they will pay you 50 naira for each contact. That's how they do it. So once you click on show friends, that's what it will do automatically. It will pay you directly into your Pocket balance. So you see there, you can either use it to do anything. So you can see right here what the route you got, because for finding one fresh Pocket App user in your contacts. That's how they pay you on this stuff. So you can see it right here. You have one fresh. You got a 15 naira bonus for finding one fresh Pocket App user in your contacts. That's how simple it is. So you can go ahead and do it right now, so you can get paid. So as you can see right here, Pocket sends 15 naira for bonus for finding one fresh Pocket App user in your contacts. Then the second one, Pocket sends 100 naira bonus for finding 2 fresh Pocket users. So as many contacts as you have, that's how richer you get. So go ahead and get started. Click on the description below and check it out. Please contact me if you need any help, just by dropping your comments in the comment section below. Any information you need about this application will be in the description below. So click on find any information, any question you have, everything will be in the description below. So please check it out. Thank you. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.